what has happened, what is to happen, and what will happen. It's all written. Some or the other way, it's going to happen no matter how hard you try. Not to make that work, but it will happen. Not make that work, but try to avoid, or you go around, or you're unwillingly just keeping it away from yourself. But at a point, a time comes where everything goes together and makes it right.
ਕੋਲ ਹੀ ਹੈ ਤੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਵੀ ਲੱਗੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦੂਰ ਸੋਚਾਂ ਕਿਉਂ ਮੈਂ ਏਦਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ ਤੇ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ
Talked through the arranged marriage with lots of guys, but the interesting, the click that you're supposed to get, or which I got, was only with him.
ਨੀਂਦ ਕਿਉਂ ਨਾ ਆਵੇ ਤੂੰ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੇਰਾ ਚਿੱਤ ਘਬਰਾਵੇ ਕਿਉਂ ਇੰਨੀ ਪਰਵਾਹ ਨਾ ਦੇਵੀਂ ਤੂੰ ਦਗਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਦਿਲ ਨੂੰ
So he was the first guy who actually talked with me through voice notes ever in my life. Who was there explaining me things and not making me explain things. Of course, I was also the one who was explaining him, but we both were very honest.
ਕੋਲ ਹੀ ਹੈ ਤੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਵੀ ਲੱਗੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤੂੰ ਸੋਚਾਂ ਕਿਉਂ ਮੈਂ ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ ਤੇ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਜ਼ਰਾ ਪੁੱਛ ਕੇ ਤੂੰ ਦੱਸ ਕੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਸੱਚ ਤੇਰੇ ਦਿਲ ਨੂੰ ਰਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੱਸ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਨੀਂਦ ਕਿਉਂ ਨਾ ਆਵੇ ਤੂੰ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੇਰਾ ਚਿੱਤ ਘਬਰਾਵੇ ਕਿਉਂ ਇੰਨੀ ਪਰਵਾਹ ਨਾ ਦੇਵੀਂ ਤੂੰ ਦਗਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਦਿਲ ਨੂੰ
I think it was meant to be that અમે લોકોએ થોડી dates shift કરી, કોઈકનો advance cancel કરાવ્યો, કોઈકને advance પાછું મોકલાવ્યું. That's how we got this property. That's how we got to get married and give.
Nahi, they had booked it, but they didn't pay any advances. And we were like, ki nahi, tumne no cancel karao, we are paying it right now. And that day itself, we paid to book this.
Because we always wanted to do something that is close to nature.
Nature, yes. Because
In the
we
nature.
both are nature lovers.
The meaning of my name is Jungle. That is literally where we are. I mean, jungle, wildlife photographer. So destiny definitely works.
I got a profile for her. એ ફેમિલી સાથે એટલા જ અને એ મારા મોટા પપ્પા છે એમને જ એક ગ્રુપ છે વોટ્સએપમાં એમાંથી મળ્યું અને વી આર એટ નાઇટ સિટિંગ એન્ડ ઇટ વોઝ લાઈક ઓકે આ જો પ્રોફાઇલ આ કેવી છે શી ઇઝ અ લોયર એન્ડ ઓલ ધોઝ થિંગ્સ વી આર ટોકિંગ અને દેન ઇટ વોઝ લાઈક ઓકે લેટ્સ સી આઈલ ટોક વીલ સી હાઉ ઇટ ગોઝ that evening મોટા પપ્પા અને મમ્મી કે તને કાનનનો ફોન નંબર આપું છું અને દે એબ્સોલ્યુટલી ફોરગોટ સો એ સાઈડથી પપ્પાએ સેન્ટ માય નંબર ટુ કાનન શી ટેક્સ્ટ મી ઇન ધ મોર્નિંગ લાઈક હાય કાનન હિયર એ રીતના કરીને સો ઇટ સ્ટાર્ટેડ વિથ અ સિમ્પલ હાય we decided ki okay let's we are going to India for my Masi's son's marriage so let's go meet once so I was like ki I was ki na ek aur madu છે અને એક aur જોઈએ આપણે okay we have been talking since last 15-20 days continuously non stop so there's an interest to meet and He wanted to do that. So I was very sure कि I want to go ahead with this.
लेता जाई चोरे दिलड़ो देता जाई जो लेता जाई चोरे दिलड़ो देता जाई जो मारी सखी ननद बैरा बीरा रे रुमाल मारो लेता जाई चोरे सखी ननद बैरा बीरा रे रुमाल मारो लेता जाई जो
I was sure कि हाँ, I want to go ahead with this and want to meet her once, like starting my cabaret के इतना initial stage. And then on 7th we reached Pune, February. We went to the house on 8th and we had a meeting. We went out for a nice dinner.
थारी मारी कहानी में मारी मन की मैं रानी रे थारी जो भी परेशानी रे वो थारी रे मारी पूरी मन मानी रे मारा मन ये चलर मारे थारा मन ये बदरवा रे बोलो कैसे ये चलेगी नैया
The next day, the whole family went to Lonavala, had a nice lunch, and then suddenly, mom.
There's a question on the table.
Yes.
Are you guys sure
Sure
about it?
about it.
And we are like, what?
बैरा बीरा रे रुमाल मारो लेता जाई चोरे साकी ननद बैरा बीरा रे रुमाल मारो लेता जाई चोरे हो आवे हिचकी बदी लड़ी आवे अब लूड़ी मोरा दरी आवे अब लूड़ी रे मारो भाती रोजी थारे बेरने आवे हिचकी मारो आली रोजी थारे बेरने आवे हिचकी
आवे हिचकी तेरी यादों में पिघलूं जी मैं हद से आगे निकलूं जी के गागर
On that table, I'm the person I'm saying, I'm perfectly sure that I want to go ahead with this. And he's like, I think we need to discuss this. What?
So she gets scared when I say something like that. We need to discuss or need to talk something. Like I'll have a pretty serious face, but inside I'm a bit crazy. So I'll be laughing. Like I know what I am doing. Like masti khor type no food.
कानन लिखा में सिर्फ कानन चाहिए. I think he's the most understanding person because Kanan has a lot of tantrums. She has a lot of anger issues. She has everything in the world a girl can have. And if he has agreed to it, I mean, he's the most understanding person. Mehendi, it's not Mehendi.
It's just the guests who will be coming and
Yeah.
we'll be like
It's
everyone
like
will
Mehendi
be,
stations.
yeah, it's like Mehendi booths near the gazebo and people would be just coming there and just getting their mehendis done.
ਹੱਥ ਨੜੇ ਤੇਰੀ ਮਨਜ਼ੂਰੀ ਵੀ ਤਾਂ ਵੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਕਿਉਂ ਨਾ ਜਾਵੇ ਤੂੰ ਆਵੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਯਾਦ ਨਾ ਵੀ ਕਰਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਵੀ ਤੇਰੀ ਯਾਦ ਆ ਜਾਵੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਸਾਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਮਹਿਕ ਮੇਰੇ ਸਾਹਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਘੁਲ ਜਾਵੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਯਾਦ ਨਾ ਵੀ ਕਰਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਵੀ ਤੇਰੀ ਯਾਦ ਆ ਜਾਵੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਸਾਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਮਹਿਕ ਮੇਰੇ ਸਾਹਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਘੁਲ ਜਾਵੇ
ચીન મહિનો પ્રેમ વધારે આવ્યો છે કે ઓછો આવ્યો
જો કેવો મસ્ત છે
ਇਸ਼ਕ ਚ ਹੋਇਆ ਵੇ ਮੈਂ ਹੁਣ ਬਦਨਾਮ ਤਾਹੀਂ ਕਰਦੀ ਸ਼ਰਾਰਤਾਂ ਨਾਦਾਨ ਮੈਂ
1, 2, 3, action.
Firstly, I would like to thank Kanan for only making one right decision in her life, and that's Chinmay. Chinmay, welcome to the family. And I'm so glad that now I have a partner here in this madhouse. Thanks.
Ever since I was a kid, Kanan has always been like a, shining star in every group that we go to, every functions that we go to. We were the best leisure partners, you can say, or something like that. We had this leisure lives and we were best at it, literally best.
Chinmay is one of the most caring pieces that I have ever known. He has a very sweet heart, and it's no surprise that Kanan loves him for 2 years. And I think that Kanan and Chinmay make such an amazing pair. They were literally made for each other, and I'm so happy that they found them.
नखरे वाले मेरे हिस्से आजा, चश्मे वाले मेरे हिस्से आजा, मन का मंतर दोनों सीखे यार।
जब तू जब मैं अब होने दे हल्ला, मेरी तू तेरा मैं अब माने मोहल्ला। मैं भी जानू तू भी जाने, तेरा मेरा दादा है पक्का। अब होने दे नैन मटका, दोनों में नैन मटका, जी भर के नैन मटका तेरा मेरा हो। अब होने दे नैन मटका, दोनों में नैन मटका, जी भर के नैन मटका तेरा मेरा हो।
बताइए, अब दोनों में सबसे ज्यादा छोटी छोटी बातों में रूठ कौन जाता है? That is Kanan.
If you want to see the best version of Chinmay, the totally unfiltered version, just ask him to do his Mithun dance. That's our thing. That's our thing. You will laugh your ass out, I promise. Just ask him for the Mithun dance.
I am a disco dancer. I am a disco dancer.
Wait a minute.
Basically, this comes from that movie, Oh My God. It starts off with rolling your hands this way and then be as gay as possible. Don't hide your gayness. Be freaking homosexual. Go ahead and start. And if you want to give Midun Ma,
What's going on? Are you ready for this one? We're about to go crazy with this, yo. 1, 2, 3, come on. Let's bounce with it. Let's bounce with it. Let's bounce with it. Come on, come on, come on. Let's bounce with it. Let's bounce with it. Let's bounce with it. Come on, everybody go. Mix it up, yo, mix it up, yo, mix it up. Come on, come on, mix it up, yo, mix it up, yo, mix it up. Everybody, let's bounce with it. Let's bounce with it. Let's bounce with it. Come on, come on, come on. Let's bounce with it. Let's bounce with it. Let's bounce with it. Come on.
अब मिलके सारे ऐश करें, ये प्यार की दौलत कैश करें। अब मिलके सारे ऐश करें, ये प्यार की दौलत कैश करें। मन में जो आए वो ही पाए, इस दिल की सुनते हम।
Bring it back, bring it back, bring it back. Come on, let's bounce with it. Let's bounce with it. Let's bounce with it. Come on, come on, come on. Let's bounce with it. Let's bounce with it. Let's bounce with it. Come on, everybody go. Mix it up, yo, mix it up, yo, mix it up. Come on, come on, mix it up, yo, mix it up, yo, mix it up.
first time I saw Chinmay in Pune, मुझे लगा कि हाँ ये है वो जीजा वाला मटेरियल, यही है। फिर धीरे धीरे जानने लगा, पहचानने लगा। एंड या
Kumar,
Kumar. Kumar. Very tied to the family, Kumar. So yeah, but the guy, he's absolutely cool, chill, fun, loving, involving, everything. I'm very much impressed with him. And Kanan though, hey,
Thanks for the approval.
no one can know better me than, no one can know Kanan better, know me better than Kanan. She's the one who knows only me.
તો કાન ખજૂરી તારા લગન ફાઇનલી થાય છે ये चेस तो no one expected कि तारा लगन जैसे but you're getting married and for that I'm congratulating Chinmay. मैं wishing him all the best.
न पावा तेरी मिठियां बातों नू
कानन अच्छी है, बहुत गुस्सा भी आता है उसको, पर अच्छी।
उससे जिस हिसाब से
मैंने तो बहुत मार
व्यू से चाहिए बट एक जनरल रिव्यू से अच्छी है
I think out of all of us is now we are getting out of please she is the middleman. She is the middleman no matter what. She is best friends of everyone over here. Go-to person for everyone. She is the most understanding, the most loving.
बंधाई छे चुपचाप थी प्रीत आ दिल में जानी नवी नवी छे आ सफर ने नवी लागणियों जागी छे मजानी हाथों में हाथ जाली वातों में वात चाली मन्ने तो लागे बेख्याली कहता कहवाय नहीं हेवी आवात साली बातों अधूरी रहतो रहती बेहाली सावरिया ले जा तारी साथे जानी राते वणिए बातों वाली सावरिया ले जा तारी साथे जानी राते वणिए बातों
Kanan, I'm so glad to have you in our family. The day I met you, I know you were the right one for my little brother. I know you will help him grow. You guys make a great couple. You guys will be extremely successful. And we are all so proud. You are such a beautiful person, so easy to get along. We take care of everyone so much in our family. We really appreciate that.
बोला करे तूने जोया करो
मीठी
થયું જાતે સાવરિયા લઈ જા તારી સાથે જાની રાતે વણીએ વાતો વાલી સાવરિયા લઈ જા તારી સાથે જાની રાતે વણીએ વાતો વાલી સાવરિયા લઈ જા તારી સાથે જાની રાતે વણીએ વાતો सावरिया ले जा तेरी साथे जाने राते वणिए बातों
तो अंदर बेचल कपड़ा बुकी अब कमरो दृश्य
He is one of the nicest people. He never gets angry. That is one thing that's very irritating about him. I have never seen him angry.
It is all સાચું બોલવાનું છે.
Look,
બોલ. જગત બોલવાનું આપણે.
ઈ મારી સામે ક્યારે ગુસ્સો નથી થયો. કે
शूर पाखी शूर गगन लहरो शूर पवन शूर सदियों शूर क्षण शू मारिया की दुनिया सावरिया रे बेसवादे तारा बिना रे तकला दे आ जिंदगी तारा बिना
Chinmay has a very clean heart. That I will say about him. Chinmay has a very clean heart. એ અગર કોઈને ના પસંદ બી કરતો હશે ને એ ક્યારેય કોઈના માટે ખોટું નહીં બોલશે. મેં આ જોયું છે and I admire him for that. I don't think everyone has the I don't think anyone has it in them to not dislike someone that they don't like and be vocal about it, but he has that. And that's very admirable and that's amazing and that's a very good quality to have in a person.
शू दोस्ती शू प्रेम छे आलागणियों के मुझे समझा नहीं वहता रहा शू भावनानु वेण छे शू तारू मन शू मारू मन छलका तो साथ दरिया सावरिया
કાનનની વાત માની
तारा बिना रे तकला दे आ जिंदगी तारा बिना
એને હું મળ્યો સમાજના પ્રોગ્રામમાં જ્યાં અમે લોકો એઝ અ ફેમિલી જવાના હતા. બટ દેન લાસ્ટ મિનિટ ગાડીમાં બેસવા ટાઈમે મી એન્ડ ચિન્મય ડિસાઇડેડ કે આપણે છે ને ચાલ ને ક્યાંક જાય બારે આપણે બે જણા એકલા થોડુંક ચીલ મારશું. અને આઈ ડોન્ટ નો દેટ ડે વી ક્લિક્ડ. લોકો અમને કહે છે તમે બે ચાઇલ્ડહુડ ફ્રેન્ડ્સ છો કે ઘણા વર્ષોથી ઓળખો છો. આઈ ડોન્ટ નો વી કેન કાઉન્ટ ઓન ફિંગર્સ. આઈ થિંક અમે 3, 4, 5 વર્ષથી ઓળખે છે એકબીજાને. But it feels like it's never the time. It's not that's what I'm saying. Quality. It doesn't feel like we've been friends for 3-4 years. कोई कैसे नहीं कि आ लोग नवा friends है. But Chinmay, I love you.
ਚਾਂਦਣੀ ਨੇ ਪੁੰਨਿਆ ਤੇ ਜਲਸਾ ਲਗਾਇਆ ਸੱਤਾ ਝੀਲ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਆਇਆ ਚੰਦ ਮੁਖ ਮਹਿਮਾਨ ਸੀ ਚਾਂਦਣੀ ਨੇ ਪੁੰਨਿਆ ਤੇ ਜਲਸਾ ਲਗਾਇਆ ਸੱਤਾ ਝੀਲ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਆਇਆ ਚੰਦ ਮੁਖ ਮਹਿਮਾਨ ਸੀ ਰਿਸ਼ਮਾ ਨੇ ਦੂਧਿਆ ਦੇ ਪਾਈ ਸੀ ਪੋਸ਼ਾਕ ਮਾਰੀ ਤਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਹਾਕ ਤਾਂ ਹੋਰ ਹੀ ਜਹਾਨ ਸੀ ਰਿਸ਼ਮਾ ਨੇ ਦੂਧਿਆ ਦੇ ਪਾਈ ਸੀ ਪੋਸ਼ਾਕ ਮਾਰੀ ਤਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਹਾਕ ਤਾਂ ਹੋਰ ਹੀ ਜਹਾਨ ਸੀ
جاني بالشرب الخفية وقال لي على ليبيا وقال لي انت نية غير راها نصرانية لازم الجرح يغلى بالدواء صارت والجميلة يا الحبيبة وليلي
Understanding, because that is what I needed in my life. Understanding, the warmth. Okay, if I'm with him, I don't need anyone else. And it's literally like that. If I am with him, I forget my parents are sitting outside. And then they'll be like, hello, we are sitting right here. So, like, understanding, the companionship, the compatibility. At the end of the day, you only want to be with that person. Before him, I was not interested in going out of India. I would not be still if it was not for him and his family, to be really honest, because they are golden heart people. Like, you don't feel like they are in-laws, they are just the family, like, you know, addition of your parents in the set of the existing parents.
started talking, I exactly knew that this is the one I want. Like you just get to know, like एक sixth sense होई ना आपरे के ना आज है बीजू पूछ.
Yeah, because for someone who can keep quiet for an hour, you need someone who cannot even keep quiet for a minute. So, yeah.
She is the chapad chupad and I'm the most like quiet person.
You are looking so pretty. She is. Wife બેસી જાય ને શું હવે લગ્નનો દિવસ આવી ગયો લગ્ન આવી ગયો સો વાઇફ માં રહેવું પડે ને હવે ઇટ ઇઝ ધી લગ્ન
આ લોકો ભૂલી ગયા છે કે કાન ઇઝ અ લિવિંગ ઓર્ગેનિઝમ એન્ડ ઇટ ડઝ પેન
तेरे बिना सजना तेरे बिना सजना दिल भी पराया लागे
કાનન ઇઝ બહુ ક્યુટ ગર્લ અને મારી ફેવરિટ ચાઇલ્ડ છે અને સો સ્વીટ ફર્સ્ટ ચાઇલ્ડ મારી ફર્સ્ટ ચાઇલ્ડ છે કાનન અને બહુ જ ફાઇન લાગે છે
આનંદ અને મારું બોન્ડ મતલબ ઇટ ઇઝ કાઇન્ડ ઓફ ટોમ એન્ડ જેરી. આખો દિવસ અમે એકબીજાને મારતા હોય, હું આખો દિવસ એને મારતો હોઉં અને એ મને મારે, એ મને બોલાવ્યા કરે અલગ અલગ નામથી, હું એને અલગ અલગ નામથી બોલાવ્યા કરું.
nervous very nervous bridesmaids I need help with my dupatta oh he's my bridesman oh yeah jaldi aao we want a picture like this manan enach manan chhod daro solo tu ahi aao it's my wedding manan હવે શરૂ થશે પછી
કેવી લાગે છે કાનન
બહુ સરસ લાગે છે, બહુ ફાઇન લાગે છે, બહુ જ સરસ લાગે છે.
એ કાંઈ નથી કર્યું ઓકે નર્વસ ધક ધક
હાય
big day big reveal but this time it's different because we are getting married now
Do you want to tell him any message now?
no words right now never felt this nervous before hello
उनके तरस को हर पल मेरी आंखें तरसी जाए तन्हाई बेचैनी मुझको क्यों इतना तड़पाए कोई ये तो बताए मुझे ये क्या हुआ है कोई ये तो बताए मुझे ये क्या हुआ है मेरा दिल क्यों मचला जाए हाय तेरी चूनर उड़ जाए हाय दिल को मेरे तड़पाए कोई ये तो बता
की करनी फिकरा दूरा वलदा कुर्ता पा माड़ा जावी ना तू संग मेरे नेड़े नेड़े आ काली काली रतियां मीठी मीठी बत्तियां जहां दिल करे चल कौन रुकेगा यहाँ पिंडा विचों पिंड सुनीदा पिंडा विचों पिंड सुनीदा मौका बई उरले पासे दाव सुनीदी उरले पासे दाव सुनीदी परले पासे टोबा और टोबे ते दो सानू रहंदे टोबे ते दो साधु रहंदे चंगी उना दी सोबा लगे ओदा पतला जिहा बाहर सैन दी जोगा लगे ओदा पतला जिहा बाहर सैन दी जोगा लगे ओदा पतला जिहा बाहर सैन दी जोगा लगे ओदा पतला जिहा
હમણાં મારા જે ફ્રેન્ડ્સ હતા આર્યન એમાં એક આર્યન હતો સો વેન હી હેડ કમ ટુ મીટ મી ઇન ઇન્ડિયા ઇટ વોઝ હિઝ વેડિંગ સો હું એના બાકી બધા ફંક્શન્સમાં ગઈ હતી આઈ હેડ સ્કિપ્ડ હિઝ વેડિંગ બિકોઝ આઈ હેડ ટુ ગો ટુ ગુજરાત એન્ડ મીટ ધીસ ગાય સો ફ્રોમ લોનાવલા ઓલ ધ વે ટુ અમદાવાદ વી ટ્રાવેલ્ડ બાય કાર સો દેટ આઈ કેન ગો એન્ડ મીટ ધીસ ગાય ધ નેક્સ્ટ મોર્નિંગ and before that I was just showing him what I'm wearing, you know, all the dresses that I wore, the lehengas and all. And that time હજી અમારું નક્કી બી નહોતું થયું પેરેન્ટ્સે વાત બી નહોતી કરી he had already told me and I still remember that I can picture you as my bride in similar outfits.
कोई लफ्ज ही नहीं इस दुनिया
Excited and was just waiting for
कर
this.
दे जो ये बयां
Let's go. Let's do this.
तू क्या है मेरे लिए
I want my wife to look pretty hot.
एक ही सितारा बदले में दे दिया मुझको तारों से भरा उसने आसमां ये सारा ओ सजना मैं तेरा तू मेरी हो गई ओ सजना मैं तेरा तू मेरी हो गई वाली कोयल बैठी तोड़ ले मैं दीना रंग ले परदेश उड़ी जाए रे जोने कोयल बैठी तोड़ ले मैं दीना रंग ले परदेश उड़ी जाए रे
We can't wait to get married now. Of course, I mean, I have people in my life who have told me like, you know, you've just met in January, you just got pitched in February, you got engaged in March, you want to get married in November, that moon. But I think that felt long for me. And I don't know, I mean, talking about it, thinking about it makes me a bit numb. Finally, the day is here.
नजदीकियां तेरे मेरे कोई हवाले उड़े है खामोशियां ये चुप्पियां धीमे से बोल पड़ी है कस्तूरी लागे क्यों फीकी महके ना तेरे सरी की सहमी तेरे छूने तलक मुझ पे चढ़ा जो तेरा रंग ना उतर जाए सावन बैरे सावन बैरे सावन बैरे
I think I have been the happiest ever since I've met you. And can't wait. I think so. Can't wait to get married to you and start a new life ahead. Kick-started. And go to Iceland.
Yeah, nice. I don't think about the future, but staying at the present and exploring those things with you and being with you. That's future में जो आई जा से बाकी अत्यारे present में enjoy.
Yeah.
जिंदगी लागे अधूरी एक तू ही लागे जरूरी शामों से है